Hello and welcome to our video on passive income ideas for making money online. In this video, we will be discussing several ways that you can earn passive income through the internet. Passive income is a great way to make money because it allows you to earn money while you sleep or while you're busy doing other things. So if you're looking to diversify your income streams and create some passive income, then this video is for you. First, let's define what passive income is. Passive income is any type of income that requires minimal effort to maintain. It's called passive because it doesn't require your constant attention in order to keep generating income. Some common examples of passive income include rental properties, dividend stocks, and online courses. If you are new to the channel and you would like educational videos that show you a step-by-step process of how to make money online, feel free to subscribe. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes. Your support means a lot and it will motivate us to create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to click on that bell notification icon to get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you, and keep your notebook and pen close to you because you don't want to miss any of these information. Now, let's move on to some passive income ideas for making money online. Idea number 1. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an online course and selling it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This can be a great way to earn passive income because once you create the course, it will continue to generate income for you as long as it's being sold. Idea number 2. Start a YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating content and have a passion for a particular topic, consider starting a YouTube channel. By consistently creating and uploading high-quality videos, you can build up a following and start earning money through advertisements and sponsorships. Idea number 3. Start a blog. Blogging is another great way to earn passive income online. By creating a blog and consistently publishing high-quality content, you can attract a loyal readership and start earning money through advertisements, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Idea number 4. Sell digital products. If you have a talent for design or are skilled at creating digital products like ebooks or printables, you can sell these products on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. This can be a great way to earn passive income because you only have to create the product once and it can continue to generate income for you over time. Idea number 5. Invest in dividend stocks. If you're comfortable with investing and want to earn passive income through the stock market, consider investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out regular dividends to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn passive income through the dividends that you receive. These are just a few ideas for earning passive income online. With a little bit of effort and some creativity, there are many more opportunities out there for you to explore. So if you're looking to diversify your income streams and create some passive income, consider giving one of these ideas a try. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and that you learned some new ways to earn passive income online.